Hello again, Chad Gorley from Torva Local. Welcome back for our 5th installment of the basic elements of a website. Today, we are going to be discussing on-site SEO. For this video, we will not touch on off-site SEO, which involves creating backlinks through outreach, syndication, and various other approaches. In regard to on-site SEO, there are 4 essential components you need to consider: the content on the page, the title tag, URL, and the image alt text. The content you have on your page is extremely important and needs to be both relevant to the audience and linkable. When we talk with our clients, there are 6 aspects we talk with them about regarding their content. First, the content must be uniquely valuable by providing an original and distinct value that is not self-promoting. Using high-quality text, images, and videos are key to portraying a level of professionalism your customers and clients expect. Next, the user experience must be superb. Navigation elements should be easy to understand and follow by your visitors. Don't forget the aesthetic appeal and the creation of content that is easy for someone to scan. The third piece to consider is the keywords that you are targeting. Each page should target a primary keyword or phrase, which should also appear in your title tag and page URL. Moving on down the list, make sure your content is shareable on social media by adding sharing options to each page. Fifth, we have a subject Drew touched on in the last video, which is ensuring your content is optimized for various popular devices, screen sizes, and browsers. Last but not least, you have to make sure your website is crawler accessible. This aspect is very technical, and we suggest either talking to a professional or doing thorough research before attempting to optimize your website for crawlers and bots. The next 3 essential components won't be as in-depth, but are still very important. In the title tag, there are 3 elements that make up the basic format: primary keyword, secondary keyword, and the brand name. When creating title tags, consider the length, placing important keywords towards the beginning, leveraging branding, and the readability and emotional impact. The URL should contain keywords and phrases that identify the page's content. It should be in hierarchical order to help search engines understand the relative importance of the page depending on the topic. Last but not least, we have the image alt text. Google and other popular search engines have no way of identifying photos on your website. The image alt text gives you the opportunity to tell search engines exactly what your photos are displaying. That wraps up this week's video discussing on-site SEO. We hope you were able to take away at least one new piece of information. Next week, Drew will be diving into the server and hosting requirements you should consider with your website. Comment below to tell us what else you would like to learn about. Until next week, enjoy your 4th of July with family and friends.